Are you wondering how to start an LLC for handyman business? Today, you will learn about the most common ways to start your business, including the correct forms you'll need, how to register your LLC, critical naming requirements, and all other vital tips and tricks. Then, as a bonus later on in the video, I will reveal to you a trustworthy company called Inkfile who will help set up your LLC for free. So make sure to stick with me until the end. You can learn more about them by clicking the link in the description box below. Let's start by understanding why choose an LLC for your handyman service business. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the most significant advantages of forming an LLC is the limited liability protection it provides. As the owner of a handyman service business, you are exposed to certain risks, such as property damage or personal injury claims. By establishing an LLC, your personal assets remain separate from your business liabilities. In the event of a lawsuit or debt, your personal savings, home, and other assets are generally shielded from potential seizure. 2. Credibility and professionalism. An LLC adds a level of credibility and professionalism to your handyman service business. Customers and clients tend to trust businesses that have an established legal structure. This enhances your reputation and can lead to more clients and better opportunities. 3. Flexibility in management and ownership. LLCs offer flexibility in management and ownership. Unlike corporations, where the management structure is more rigid, LLCs allow for more informal management, making decision-making faster and more adaptable. Additionally, an LLC can have a single member, owner, or multiple members, enabling you to have a business partner or bring in investors easily. 4. Pass-through taxation. LLCs enjoy pass-through taxation, meaning the business's profits and losses are passed through to the owner's personal tax returns. This avoids the issue of double taxation that corporations often face, where both the company and shareholders are taxed separately on profits. 5. Simple compliance requirements. LLCs have relatively simple compliance requirements compared to corporations. There is less paperwork involved, and annual reporting is usually straightforward. This ease of compliance allows you to focus on growing and managing your handyman service business efficiently. 6. Access to business loans and credit. Forming an LLC can make it easier to access business loans and credit. Banks and lenders may view LLCs as more stable and secure entities, increasing your chances of obtaining funding for business expansion or other financial needs. Now that you understand the advantages of starting an LLC for handyman business, let's dive into the step-by-step process of forming your LLC and obtaining an employer identification number, EIN. Step 1. Choose a suitable business name. Selecting the right business name is crucial. Ensure it reflects your handyman service business and is unique and not already in use by another company. Check the availability of the name with your state's business name database or Secretary of State office. Step 2. Register your LLC with the state. Registering your LLC requires filing the necessary paperwork with the state where you plan to operate your handyman service business. This typically involves filing articles of organization or certificate of formation. Each state has its own filing requirements, so visit the official website of your state's Secretary of State office for specific instructions. Step 3. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent is an individual or entity responsible for receiving legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC. This could be you, a partner, or a professional registered agent service. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state of formation. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not always mandatory, it's advisable to have an operating agreement for your LLC. This legal document outlines the ownership and management structure, as well as the rights and responsibilities of the members. It helps prevent disputes and provides clarity on how the business will be run. Step 5. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to identify your business for tax purposes. It is essential for hiring employees, opening business bank accounts, and filing taxes. The easiest way to get an EIN is by applying online through the IRS website, www.irs.gov. The application process is free and straightforward. Once approved, you'll receive your EIN immediately. If you prefer not to apply online, you can complete Form SS-4 and submit it by mail or fax to the IRS. The processing time is longer compared to the online method. Step 6. Obtain business licenses and permits. Check with your local and state authorities for any required licenses and permits to operate your handyman service business legally. Requirements may vary depending on your location and the services you offer. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Separating your personal and business finances is essential for maintaining the limited liability protection of your LLC. Open a business bank account to manage your handyman service business's income and expenses. Step 8. Obtain insurance coverage. Consider obtaining general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance for your handyman service business. Insurance helps protect your business from potential claims and damages. Step 9. Comply with tax requirements. Understand your tax obligations at the federal, state, and local levels. Depending on your business structure and revenue, you may need to file quarterly estimated taxes and annual income tax returns. Step 10. Maintain ongoing compliance. LLCs have ongoing compliance requirements, such as filing annual reports and paying the necessary fees. Stay up to date with these requirements to keep your LLC in good standing. Starting an LLC for your handyman service business offers numerous benefits, including limited liability protection, credibility, flexibility, pass-through taxation, and access to financing. Following the step-by-step guide provided in this comprehensive guide will help you form your LLC and obtain an EIN efficiently. Remember to consult with a business attorney or tax professional for personalized advice to ensure your handyman service business starts off on the right foot and continues to thrive. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. The state filing fee that you are seeing above varies from state to state, thus the cost will vary based on where you choose to register your business. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. File also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.